In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account. From the left menu, click Sales, then select Invoices. Next, click New Invoice. Choose an existing customer or create a new one if needed. After that, add the products or services you're billing for. Enter the quantity, rate, taxes if applicable, and review the invoice details. Now set the invoice date, payment terms, and due date. You can also add notes or terms and conditions if you'd like. Next, review the invoice to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Save or Save and send to email the invoice directly to your customer. Finally, monitor the invoice status from the Invoices section to track when it's viewed and paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.